still Ladyfrank in the building. So I'm back. Yes, so I'm back. Oh. Thank you to all my amazing subscribers. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for being there for me. I love you guys with all my heart, you know. And if you have not subscribed, one more, what are you still waiting for? Just hit that red subscribe button and the bell beside it so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video, you know. So, in today's tutorial is not sewing as usual. What did I have here? Yeah, I have a sewing machine, but I'm not sewing with it today. So I'll be showing you on how you maintain and service your sewing machine at home by yourself. Yes, I mean by yourself. Normally, I service my sewing machine once a week. I'll clean it up, lubricate it with oil, machine oil. I will dust out the dust and everything before using it. But this sewing machine, I've not used it for a long time. Although I've not worked with it due to some reasons, but I have now I have some work to do with it. So I'm going to service it before using it. Okay, let's get started. So these are all we need to service a sewing machine: the oil, screwdriver, brush, then a towel. Okay, so first of all, make sure you disconnect it from power supply, please. Then we have to loosen up the upper plates top. Okay, loosening up. I have already loosed it up with a screwdriver. Okay, so I like removing my pin, so I will not injure myself when servicing it, brushing it out or cleaning it. So then I will remove the footer. Okay, then after removing it, I'll remove the plates. All right, you see how the sewing machine is very dirty, so I need to clean it up. So with all these things, you might be having problem with your sewing machine, or it might not be sewing properly. So I'll remove all these things before I start brushing it out. Okay, so it's very dirty. You see some particles I'll be bringing out from it. So are you seeing them? It's so dirty, so brush it out. Make sure you brush it out very well. Okay, with the help of the brush. If you don't have this type of brush, you can make use of old toothbrush, or you can get a new toothbrush. Okay, so brush it out, all those particles out. So have you seen what I got out from it? So dirty. So after it, I will use the towel to clean it up. I use towel to clean it up. Okay, clean the inside, clean everywhere. So I'll clean it properly. All right. Okay, so I will clean the plates, the top plates. I'll clean it. I will eventually clean everything before I will oil it and cockle it back. So if there is any particles, so all these particles can make your thread to get stuck, or you will not be having a neat sewing. Okay, so after doing all these things, and all these particles can even make your machine to start making noise. Okay, so this will reduce the noise that is coming from the machine. All right, I will just clean everything up. I'll clean it up. All right, I'll clean it up. Yeah. So after this, what I would do is to oil. All right, After cleaning something, this is the footer that I'm cleaning up. Okay, so and everything, just eventually everything you are using, make sure you clean it up. All right. Okay, so after this now, I'm going to lubricate it with a machine oil. So you just drops of oil inside it, drop it even inside. Make sure you drop it inside. I'm trying to make sure the oil go inside. Okay, drop oil and drop oil to make the machine to sew very well and very neat. All right, so drop oil. Okay, so make sure the oil go round it. All right, so after it, I will try to uh, rotate the wheel. I'll try to rotate it. So I'm trying to drop it inside. Okay. All right. So after this, after oiling it, I would like to cockle it back. So it depends on how your machine setting is. Try to cockle it back. Make sure you place it very well. Okay, place this the stopper. You place it and close it as shown. So we'll now tighten back the plates. Okay, we'll tighten back the plates. Make sure we screw it very well. We'll tighten back the plates. So I'm trying to place it the right proportion. Okay, this side is not working. Let me turn it over. All right, I've gotten it. So you put back the nuts. Okay, and use your screw to tighten it. Make sure is well tight so that when you are sewing clothes, it will not be shifting. So I'm trying to tighten this. I'm taking it as I'm trying to tighten it. Okay, please, if you know that you have not subscribed to this channel, please click on that red subscribe button and the bell beside it so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Okay, so please like, share this video. All right, okay, after tightening that, then we'll place our footer. Okay, place our footer. So our machine is getting ready to be used. So we put back the pin, Please note the setting of your pin before you remove it so that you'll be able to put it back at the right proportion, and you tighten it very well. All right. So we are almost done. So after this, I will try to put oil again. You see, after all these lubricates, applying oil, machine lubricates, you see that your machine will work properly well. You will enjoy sewing. You enjoy sewing. You enjoy sewing with the machine. Yeah. So after that, I will clean it up. Although anytime I lubricate my machine, I don't use it that time. Okay. I just maybe I do lubricate it mostly in the evening time. I will lubricate it in the evening time. Then later, it will in the when I start making use of it, it will be the next day. So that after that excess, I will notice that excess oil will come out. I will clean it up, because if you start making use of it, the oil will stain the clothes you are working on. So after cleaning it up like this, I will just leave it and cover it. Okay. All right, we are done. So thank you so much for watching my video. Okay, please help me and like, subscribe, and share to friends. Okay, thank you so much. See you on my next tutorial. All right, I love you all. God bless you.